Hello students, lesson 1 plants increasing the numbers. In science, we had learned about why plants are necessary. How does new plants come? Parts of seeds and types of seeds in last class. Today, we will learn about dispersal of seeds. Dispersal means the process of scattering of seeds through agents of nature. What would happen if all the seeds fall under the parent plant? It would become too clustered. The seeds would need to compete for sunlight, food, water, and space to grow. In the absence of these conditions, most seeds would not grow into plants. Hence, it is important that these seeds scatter away from the parent plant. Since plants are fixed to the ground and cannot move from one place to another, some agents in nature help to scatter these seeds. These agents carry the seeds or fruits away from the parent plant. This process is called dispersal. Agents of dispersal. Dispersal is carried out by the following agents: wind, water, animals, and by the explosion of fruits. Wind as an agent of dispersal. Seeds dispersed by the wind must be light and small so they can be easily carried by the wind. They also have wings or hair which allow them to be carried over greater distances. Seeds of cotton, madder, and kipstage are dispersed by the wind. Water as an agent of dispersal. Seeds of water plants can float on water and so are carried away from the parent plant. The lotus fruit has a spongy pod and the coconut has a fibrous outer covering to enable them to float on water. Animals as agent of dispersal. Some plants have cooks to which of seed is attached. These cooks stick in the burr of animals and fall off at some points. Some plants produce fruits which are eaten by humans and animals. Their seeds are often thrown away. They grow into new plants when they get the right conditions. Dispersal by explosion. Fruits such as peas in a pod burst open or explode when dry. The force of explosion helps to scatter the seeds. Revise the lesson. Seeds have to get scattered or dispersed so that they get favorable conditions to grow. Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, animals, and by the explosion of fruits. Thank you.